Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying your Steam Deck model and confirming at least 32 GB free for Windows. Download the official Windows 11 ISO and a USB image tool like Rufus on your PC so you can make a bootable installer. Once done, format a 16 GB or larger USB drive and set up a USB-C hub to attach keyboard, mouse, and external storage. Make sure to back up any important Steam OS data before altering partitions. This prevents accidental loss while you proceed. You'll boot the deck from the USB installer by holding the volume down button to access the boot menu, then choose the USB device. If Windows refuses to install, disable Secure Boot in BIOS. This allows unsigned drivers. During setup, pick or create a partition dedicated to Windows so you don't overwrite Steam OS unless that's your plan. After the initial install, immediately install the Steam Deck driver bundle and the correct GPU driver. This restores controller inputs, audio, Wi-Fi, and performance for games. You finish by updating Windows fully and tweaking power and performance settings to balance battery and thermals. Set a custom power plan and GPU limits if needed. Install Steam and sign in. Use Steam's controller configuration and Proton when running games that aren't native to Windows on Deck. If something breaks, like missing controller support or Wi-Fi, reinstall the official driver bundle, check Device Manager for missing drivers, or use a USB Wi-Fi or controller dongle temporarily. This usually fixes the most common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.